सो गाइस, ये मैं हूँ और ये ऑलमोस्ट 50 पेंटिंग्स बन चुकी हैं। मैं आप लोग को एक एक करके दिखा देता हूँ। सो फर्स्ट वन इज स्टिल लाइफ, एंड स्टिल लाइफ में मेरे पास ऑलमोस्ट 8 पेंटिंग है। तो ये पहला, देन उसके बाद ये सेकंड, देन थर्ड, देन फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, sixth, seventh, eighth. Then we have some natural painting, natural scenes. So 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, compositions or any other sceneries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then we have landscapes or compositions. So first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. ओके, सो इतने हमारे पास हैं लगभग। Then 3 more extra paintings is there. 1, 2, and let's move forward for human anatomy. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. Okay, seventh is I am drawing. इतने सारे पहले पड़े हैं सामान, बहुत सारे सामान है। So if you like collaboration or any other paid work, so you can message me and follow RAZART OP for more paintings like this, and you can contact me directly by messaging in Facebook or Insta. So this is done by me, almost 50 paintings in just 3 days. You don't believe? I know you don't believe that, but it's just done in 3 days. Overnight it will be there. It will be there. Okay guys, the time is now 2:15 a.m. and I just completed all my package paintings of 50 paintings in just 3 days. Not 50, it's 50 plus. And few minutes ago you see almost 43 plus paintings, and here we go for the more paintings. So first one is there, and then second, okay, third, okay, fourth, so if you like this paintings and enjoying this video and having an idea of any painting, so you can directly message me and give any other idea to me to draw other paintings or some any unique paintings. So, and yes, you have counted it almost 60 पेंटिंग। अगर आप लोग को ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो यार लाइक कर देना एंड ज़रूर से इस वीडियो को जितना हो सके आप लोग शेयर ज़रूर करना एंड किसी क्या पता किसी को मदद चाहिए हो इस चीज़ की, so please share this video and if you like and comment below, you can comment below all these paintings, about all these paintings. So and thanks for watching this video guys, so keep watching RAZART, Kobe and good night.